Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the KLIPY and what exactly the KLIPY is. So KLIPY provides a range of animated content APIs like GIF, stickers, clips and the memes that developers can integrate into their apps, websites and the platforms. So it's a free alternative to GIPHY and Tenor with a lifetime free API tier and built-in monetization that lets you to generate revenue by inserting non-intrusive ads between the content. So it's a free and it's alternative of the Tenor and the GIPHY. Okay, so how we are going to integrate that one into your website or apps? So basically we have to call their APIs, right? So this is the how to get the API key. First of all, you have to log into their partner panel. Okay, so you have to create the account first. Okay, after that we have to go with their API keys. So I've already generated the API key, right? So if you have generate a new one, so you have to go with the add platform, then you have to name the platform name, platform website, description. After that you have to fill some of these minor details, and then after that you will get the API key. Just copy this API key after that and use it in your API calls, right? So I have already generated this one, so let's take a look what exactly it is. So here we have this one, so let me open with the Sublime. Okay, so here we have the full-fledged code. So here you can see that if I search some like happy GIF, okay, so here you can see that the all kind of happy GIFs are there, right? So you can just share it, right? So here you can see. Okay, so how we have done this, let's take a look. So first of all, here we have the API key. So first of all, API key you have to mention, and this is a function that is search GIF. So this is, and what API we are using, this is api.clippy v1 API key GIF search, so encoded URL, right? And we have, then I want to display that GIF, so whatever the response in the API gets, so I'm going to get this one. Okay, so in this will goes into the gif.file.h.gif.url, right? So let me show you what exactly the API is there. If we go with F12 and the network, if I do search, the API call is there. Okay, this is the API, right? And this is the response. Okay, so here in the result row data, here you can see file object blur preview. Okay, file is there hd md. So these are the URLs here you can see, and we are using the hd.gif.url. Okay, so here you can see GIF. So GIFs are there. Here we are sending the GIF data, and here you can see by passing the GIFs for each. Okay, after that we have to get the element of the image where we want to show, then the URL, and then display it. Okay, and if you want to share the GIF, so you have to pass the GIF ID and then alert that the GIF shared. Okay, so it's just about the API call. So you have to call the API, you get the data, and whatever way you want to use, you can use that one. Okay, so here you can see everything is there, right? So use it, and because it's a free one, so any doubt, any query in that, to let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. And also there are some GitHub, if you can fork this one into the GitHub stars, there is a GitHub part here. Let me go, and more detail you will go with the documentations of this one. So this is the KLIPY documentation. So here you can see that we have the trending APIs, so you can use that one API with the response and everything. So the full documentation, search items, recent items, so all this API. Okay, this is the sticker APIs, right? So you can just go and explore these APIs, right? And which API clip sticker, meme API, AI emoji API, so search suggestion autocomplete. So every kind of things are there. So just go and explore this Clippy. Okay. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.